Hello, Blizzard. If you are watching this, then that means you are very lucky. So, when I commented on your video, I said I couldn't give you a profile picture, which is what I'm going to do. And if you want an intro, I can make you one. I even have an intro too, so it wouldn't be bad if you had one. So I'm going to put up some pictures, and you can pause the video and screenshot whichever one you want your profile picture to be. And in the next video, I can make you an intro. So, yeah. Let's get started. Like always. Here is the first one. I really hope you like this one. I worked really hard on it. Here's the second one. Yeah, here's the second one. And this one, I don't know what that is. This one. So those are the profile pictures that I drew. I drew this, kind of painted over it, like this. I don't know why I just did that. Okay, we can get rid of it. But I think this one is my favorite since it looks like your wolf character. But I don't know. If you comment on this video, then I will, in the next video I will make you an intro. By the way, I am so happy that you made it to 1,000 subscribers. Keep up the good work, Blizzard. I know we can get to 2,000. And thank you guys all so much for the support of Blizzard.